Good morning, guys. We made it to our villa in Koh Samui. Check it out. And yes, this is our beautiful property at Sandalwood Villa out in Koh Samui. So we're here for 3 nights and we're super stoked to be here. I've always wanted to be at some type of resort that has an infinity pool overlooking a cliff. So as you saw from the drone shots, this place is absolutely beautiful. Here's a quick little tour. So right when you walk into here, this is the main entrance to get into the villa. And to the right of it, you have a beautiful dining table with full stove, full kitchen. There's silverware, there's everything that you'd need to cook, to do whatever you need if you're looking to stay in. And right behind it, you have this awesome giant couch with a television over there. And you got a fan with a painting. And walking into the villa, on the left-hand side, you got David right over here. And you got the and you got the first bedroom. You got Dustin and David sharing this room, so it's a full king-size bed, and even takes you outside to the pool. The bedroom's connected to the pool. It's absolutely beautiful. Right when you walk outside, you have this pool right over here, and you have Koh Samui. Absolutely gorgeous. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4 lounge chairs and a table. And going back inside, they have their own private bathroom, so check it out. They have a beautiful tub right over here, a nice stand-up shower, and double sinks. David and Dustin's sink, or Dustin and David's, whatever, in the toilet. And let's go this way and I'll show you my bedroom. So you have a beautiful closet right over here with a safe. You got a stand. To the right of it, you have a couch. And this is my little workstation. I've been editing right over here. And right over here, you got a king-size bed and our breakfast. You got a television right over here. So you have the king-size bed right over here that overlooks the pool also. And I also have my own entrance to the pool right over here. And it looks like breakfast is here. And my favorite part, so when I see a beautiful giant bathroom, I don't know why, the first thing I think about is maybe I could sleep in it. But this is the bathroom. So you enter right over here, and right when you enter, you have double sinks right over here. You have a toilet. You have an awesome stand-up shower. Check that out. And you have a huge jacuzzi tub. And it overlooks the bedroom and Koh Samui. Wow! And walking right through this way. It looks like we have breakfast delivered for us. Good morning, Kapun Kap. Oh my goodness, look at this. Good morning, thank you so much. And we have breakfast delivered to us. We got some smoothies, we got some eggs, we got some fresh fruits, we got French toast, we got cappuccinos. David, you probably ordered, didn't you?
That's all for me.
That's all. Oh, that's all for David. But this is absolutely amazing. So yeah, you can have breakfast down there, or you can have it delivered to your room. So we're gonna have it delivered to our room. We're gonna take some good photos with breakfast in the pool probably. And we're gonna be hanging out here at least for the next few hours. I'm gonna try to get a nice little edit in, and then we're probably gonna rent a motorbike. I think that's the idea. So we're gonna rent a motorbike, maybe check out a waterfall, a viewpoint. We're not 100% sure, but take you around Koh Samui. Good morning, guys. So yesterday it was raining all day. It was not a vlog day, but I got a lot of work accomplished. I got a vlog up, I posted, I did some editing, and yeah, today is super sunny, it's super nice. So this is our second full day out here in Koh Samui, and we're gonna rent a motorbike later and head to a waterfall and check out some viewpoints. But right now the breakfast is here, so let's check out the breakfast real quick. We got some smoothies, we got some Thai iced teas, we got some fruits, French toast, coffees, cappuccinos, French toast and eggs. Oh my goodness, guys. You ready for breakfast?
This is all for me, right?
Yeah, you wish. But yeah, we got some of these smoothies. We got 5 of them. Yeah, this has been really good smoothies the last few days. Cheers, brother. And yeah, we're gonna crush some breakfast and then go to check out a waterfall after we rent some motorbikes. All right, the breakfast is so good. We're in our cab already right now, and we are going to rent some motorbikes right now. So the guy's taking us to the motorbike rental place. And this place is kind of cool. So every time you get a villa, you get a room, they give you a little cell phone. So like, there's the phone number to reception, there's the phone number to the taxi. And yeah, when you have your own place, they give you a cell phone to call them. So this is the place to rent our motorbikes. Let's see. Ooh, it's hot out. The sun's out, that's nice. We came from that way, so it's the other way. Alright, so we got our motorbikes. It was 250 baht per bike, which is a little more expensive than Bangkok. Not a big deal. We got our motorbikes, 250 baht. We're heading 20 minutes to one of the waterfalls. Oh my god, David fell. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. Oh, too fast.
Yes.
You okay, David?
Yeah, I'm good.
Whew. Jesus, you gotta go super slow. Oh my god, David fell off the motorbike. That was the start to our morning. Yeah, motorbikes is for everyone. That's one of the reasons why I don't really ride them too much. Dustin's the professional rider. He's been riding a bike for years while he's in California. And yeah, when you're in Southeast Asia, you gotta be super careful. You gotta go slow, especially when there's mud and dirt. But we still got like another 20 minutes. I'm gonna be riding their motorbike. Gotta go slow, right? Very slow. All right, we're good. So after a 22-minute motorbike ride, we made it to Namung 1 waterfall. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. They have 2 waterfalls here. Namung 2 is right on the other side when you make a left, but we're gonna check out Namung 1 right now. So right when you walk in, you can see plenty of souvenir shops, little sunglasses, some clothing, t-shirts, there's ice cream. Save the ice cream for later though. Namung 1. Are you feeling okay, David?
Yeah, you know, I got too excited.
Got too excited.
But it was because of the mud.
Yeah, can't go too fast out here, especially when there's mud, but as long as we're all safe, we're all good. We made it to the waterfall, so. All right, we got bug spray all over us. Check. So it looks like the waterfall is literally right over here once you park your motorbike. I know the other waterfall, Namung 2, it's about a 30-minute trek, I hear. It's a little bit tougher, but it's not too bad. Some of the reviews do say to wear shoes. This one, it looks like it's right in front of our face. We got some steps down here. Whoop, 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 whoop. Wow, this looks beautiful. You can see some people are in it. People are walking around over there. And this is Namung Waterfall 1. Out of here. That's gorgeous. Careful. Careful. Oh, the water feels good. All right, so we're leaving the waterfall number 1 right now. The waterfall number 2 is kind of close by. You make a left out there and it's a little drive and then it's a 30-minute hike. Fortunately, I didn't bring my shoes. So we're gonna check out one of the viewpoints on the island. Supposedly one of the most beautiful viewpoints out here on the island. It's called the Lamai Viewpoint. Woo! Woo! All right, so yeah, Lamai Viewpoints is one of the nicest viewpoints out here in Koh Samui. There's a restaurant up there, there's Ziplining Adventures. Let's see what we're in store for us today. Oh, look at this beautiful architecture. I don't know what it means, but it's beautiful. All right, this is nice. So it looks like they have Ziplining Adventure. Uh-oh, so press here. So for 800 baht, we got a Ziplining Adventure. The bathroom's over here, we're gonna use the bathroom. We have a 10-minute walk to the top. And then we have a couple zip lines we're gonna be going down with.
Here we go. I've never ziplined.
You've never ziplined?
I've skydove twice. I've done skydiving twice, but I've never done ziplining before.
Oh, I'm so stoked.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Ziplining adventure! Woo! Oh, here it is, viewpoint zipline cable car. So it's a 10-minute walk up these stairs. They also have a cable car that can take you up there for about 200 baht. That's like $6. But we're young, we're spry, we have legs. Oh, kinda. And we're gonna do the quick 10-minute walk and we're gonna make it to the top for some zip lining. All right, let's trek, let's trek.
Oh God, I need a beer.
Whew. Hey, steps aren't that bad. Oh, you did it. So it looks like the viewpoint and the restaurant's over there.
Wow, that's a restaurant.
And it looks like here's the cable car. Hello. Cable car. We made it to the viewpoint. Oh, look at this view. Oh my goodness. Woo! This is absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous. It looks like the zip lining is, yeah, is over there. Maybe we can go from there to here. All right, David's getting fitted. Thank you. And I haven't done ziplining since Bali. That was the first time I did it. I've only done it once, and I'm about to do it again. I'm super stoked to do it at Lamai Viewpoint. And now it's Dustin's turn to suit up. All right, so we found a spot. We're gonna be ziplining down there.
Okay, this one for the pulley. Me and him, we can make for you. For you go, I have show you this one.
Okay.
Yeah, go and stop.
Okay. So he's gonna go first, and we're gonna go right after him. Alright, so the first zip line was pretty awesome. We're gonna do the second one now. It's a lot slower. Okay, I'm ready to go. Should I just sit?
Yeah.
Oh my god, like, what the heck?
Leg up.
Leg up? Look at this view! Oh my man, Kapunka. Thank you, Kapunka. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun just now. So the first one was pretty fast, so I only had one hand. I was able to get some cinematics. The second one was a lot slower. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. Now they have the little restaurant up here, so we're probably gonna get some food right now. Enjoy the view. Oh man, that was so much fun. Cheers, mate. So we got pad thai, we got a view. So the pad thai is 120 baht, so it's not a bad price. It's actually a pretty legit price. It's about $4.50 to get pad thai and a view. I would expect something a little more expensive, but you got Lamai Viewpoint and you got some pad thai. Yummy. Goodbye, beautiful view. Kapunka, thank you. Kapunka. Yep, thank you. All right, what an awesome lunch, awesome viewpoint at Lamai Viewpoint. Awesome zip lining, which I totally didn't expect to come out here and zip line. It was an awesome day so far with the waterfall, zip lining. We're heading back to Sandalwood Villas right now. At 6 p.m. we have a massage set up for us three, and I am super stoked for a good massage right now. And yeah, leaving Lamai Viewpoint, we're gonna be passing Lamai Beach. That's one of the main locations or areas out here in Koh Samui. There's restaurants, massages, a lot of little different things to do. I think the main area in Koh Samui is Chawang. That's where we're at the first day. Chawang, I think, is the main area out in Koh Samui. It's right by the airport, and they have all the souvenir and massage places. So yeah, I'd highly recommend if you're coming out to Koh Samui, check out Chawang. Check out even Lamai Beach. There's a lot of little shops. It's not as popular as Chawang though, but we have about a 10-15 minute bike ride back to the villa, and we're gonna chill there till our massage. All right, we made it back to Sandalwoods. What an incredible day it's been so far. Look at that view, oh my goodness. But yeah, we have a 6 p.m. massage set, so we're gonna be chilling here at Sandalwood for the next 2 hours until our massage at 6 p.m. And we're probably gonna get some dinner after. It was such a fun day, from the waterfall to the viewpoints to zip lining. But yeah, what an incredible day. Let's relax until our massage.
Hello.
All right, we're heading down right now. And all three of us, we're heading to the spa right now. So Sandalwood has a nice spa that's connected to it. It's literally probably 50 feet down. So this is Sandalwood Sanctuary Health Massage.
Underwear.
This is great.
Yeah. But everything you put here.
Okay, kapunka. I get to wear granny panties. I don't know if these are granny panties, but granny panties. What do you think? I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I have an hour coconut oil massage set up for me. Dustin and David are upstairs right now getting their same massages, and I'm super stoked for this. I haven't had a nice massage in a while, and yeah, I get to wear these. Oh boy. All right, so let's get this massage going. This massage table looks so nice, and after a day of trekking and zip lining, I feel like this is well deserved. Let's get a quick massage in. All right, here we go. I like fell asleep, and she was massaging one of my legs, and I didn't know what was happening, so I just moved my arm. I woke up and yeah. That was one of the best massages I've ever gotten. The coconut oil is warm and it feels absolutely amazing. It hurts so good, just put it that way, my back. Oh, and the coconut oil smells so good. Oh my God, honestly, hands down, one of the best massages. If you're at Sandalwood's, get a massage here. It felt amazing.
Dude, that was the best massage I've ever had in my life.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not even kidding.
It was up there for me as well.
Yeah. Oh my God. Dude, cheers to that. That was happy birthday, man. Thank you. Cheers, man. Kapunka, kapunka. Good night. So the Robert, the owner of Sandalwood Villas, told us earlier to go to Arc Bar. So we're gonna check out Arc Bar and see what they have for us. Supposedly there's an 8:30 p.m. fire show, so let's take you to the fire show. We ended up having an incredible time at Chuang Beach. The fire show started at 9:30. We did get there kind of early, but the fire show got kind of out of control. And at the same time, we had an awesome dinner at Arc Bar and enjoyed the rest of our night. You guys know what to do. Hit that like, comment down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell for the next vlogs, and I'll catch you in the next one.